Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to create slices in Power BI. And creating slices in Power BI is very easy. So let's start without wasting more time. Okay, so simply open your report. Okay, and now click on this button. This is slicer button. Okay, click on it. Okay, and you will get the slicer here. Now, okay, now choose the value, okay, on which you want to filter out. Okay, slicer basically works like a filter. Okay, so I want to filter out these values by the city wise. Okay, so simply I dragged the value city in the field. Okay, simply now you can filter the data. Like I want to select Ahmedabad. Okay, so the values get changed. Okay, so I got the values for the Ahmedabad. Okay, now I want for Amritsar. Okay, Amritsar. Okay, now I want to select multiple selections. Okay, now how to select multiple values. Okay, so press control and then click. Okay, this is okay. So now I am seeing the values of these three cities. Okay, and you can okay also unselect like this. Okay, now there are a lot of customizations you can do for the slicer. Okay, to make it more attractive, like slicer settings. Okay, it gives you different styles. Okay, three different styles. The first is vertical list, and this is this is vertical list. Okay, then tile. Okay, this is tile form, and then is one another is drop down. Okay, this is drop down. Okay, so you can make the values in three different styles. Okay, so okay, then this is slicer header. Okay, the slicer header is this city. You can just keep it on or you can keep it off. Okay, and here you can this is city. Okay, then you can change its okay, then font style you can change. You can make it italic, you can make it bold, you can increase the font size like this. Okay, you can increase. Okay, you can also change the color. Okay, so just like this. Okay, and you can also off it. Okay, you can okay, and this section is for values. Here you can change the values font. Okay, like you can see. Okay, font values you can make them bold, italic. You can keep an underline between under them. Okay, you can change the font color simply. Okay, this is font color you can change. Okay, okay, and you can also add the borders like bottom. Okay, borders you can. Okay, you can add background also to the values, like I am adding this. Okay, so there are a lot of customizations that you can do. Okay, and in general settings, here you can see effects like background color, whatever background color you want, like this background color you want. Okay, like black. Okay, like another background color you can choose according to your. Okay, and then visual border. Okay, this is good feature. Like rounded corners I want to add, like you can see the rounded corners here. You can see like okay, so I added this visual border, and now this is looking more attractive after adding the visual border. Okay, so that was in the general settings. Okay, so visual border hai, you can increase the rounded corners, you can increase the widths also, and now you can see now it's looking more attractive. Okay, so you can do like that. Okay, and then okay, then come again here. I want to show you one thing again, shadow. Okay, just keep on and off, so you can see the shadow here. Okay, you can keep it outside, you can keep it inside. Okay, you can keep it at different positions like bottom left and all. Okay, so there are a lot of there are a lot of customizations are available. You can explore them. Okay, like properties, effects, title. You can add on title. You can also add on title and see like city. Okay, so I added the title, and I want to keep it in horizontal. Okay, you can add also a divider, so this will give you a divider. Okay, you know. Okay, and other okay, add icons and all. So there are a lot of customizations. Explore it, make it more attractive. Okay,